Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make strawberry smoothie. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Olayemi. For all the new subscribers, thanks for your support. Let's dive into our strawberry smoothie. I'm using milk, and as well I'm using frozen strawberries and strawberry yogurt. So these are the basic 3 ingredients I'll be using to prepare our strawberry smoothie. This strawberry smoothie is very healthy, nutrition, and easy to make with fresh or frozen strawberries plus milk and yogurt. Just 3 ingredients, you get a perfect smoothie. So I'm going to add my frozen strawberries into my blender jar. Then I'm going to add half cup of strawberry yogurt. I'm using half cup of strawberry yogurt, and I also use 6 pieces of frozen strawberries. And as well I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using oat milk. You can use almond milk, you can use whichever milk you feel like using. All this I'll put it in the description below. Then we are going to blend all these ingredients together to get that perfect smoothie recipe. So how to make a smoothie recipe? All what you just have to do by making a smoothie recipe, you just have to combine all your ingredients, your frozen ingredients or your fresh ingredients together, and you blend everything until it's well smooth, until everything is well smooth. So that is how to get a perfect smoothie recipe. Actually, if you want to get a thick smoothie recipe or strawberry smoothie, it all depends on how you want the smoothie to be very thick. So you just have to use a frozen fruit. A frozen fruit is a perfect fruit for a perfect thick smoothie recipe. It's the best, but you can as well use a fresh fruit. I enjoy using fresh fruit, but if you are using a fresh fruit, remember to add ice cube. So this is the outcome. After blending, I'm going to add it into my glass cup to serve. You can as well put this in the refrigerator if you want that perfect and chilled smoothie. Thanks so much for watching this my strawberry smoothie. Do not forget to subscribe and remember to share with your friends. I guess I will see you in my next recipe. Be safe.